Let's talk about Corsair Gaming MM300 Small Anti-Fray Cloth Gaming Mouse Mat. Low friction polymer delivers high glide while maintaining control. Optimal reflective characteristics ensure consistent tracking. No bunching or sliding even during intense gaming. Oversized 256 by 210 by 3 mm to provide maximum gaming surface area. Already owning a Corsair K65 keyboard and a scimitar mouse, I decided to go the full hog and waste my money on a pretty mouse mat. And I love it. RGB isn't for everyone, this mouse mat is totally pointless, but if you like pretty lights then you will not find anything better. The RGB lighting is bright, much more so than both their mice and keyboards, it really catches your eye. The pad itself is fairly rigid and the USB pass-through port is a nice touch. Let's be honest, buying an RGB mouse mat is pure indulgence. And that's okay. I have been planning on buying a mouse mat for a while, but I couldn't decide which one to go with, and I recently purchased some other Corsair branded stuff and I really liked that, so I decided to go with this. Comes well packaged and is a simple enough product, yet has improved my gaming with the comfort. My Logitech MX Master mouse glides around this mat with no issues. Also stays clean quite well, but a blast with a dust vac once in a while solves any lint. Overall it's a great mouse pad which protects your mouse really well. 1010 from me. I am in love with this mouse mat. I was tempted to get the MM300 RGB mouse pad, but I much prefer the extended mouse mat look. I think this mouse mat looks absolutely stunning in person, and my MX Master mouse feels amazing when paired with it. The Corsair K55 keyboard also looks great with this mouse mat, as shown in the photo. It appears to be of good quality and does not feel like it could tear or break in any way. It is very large and would look silly on smaller desks, so definitely measure out the desk and decide whether it would suit your desk surface. I have the IKEA Lindemann 150 cm desk, which is quite plain, so this adds a nice bit of contrast to the surface. I highly recommend this mouse mat to anyone who is considering it. Yes, the price is high, but now I can see why, as the quality of the material and the overall design is outstanding. Would definitely